On a day that the nation claps for carers, we've something to say in return. Whether you're a fellow key worker, you're an individual, a small business or corporate who's done anything, no matter how big or small, to help us at this time, or you've stayed at home to protect the NHS and save lives, we have a massive thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Alle tieners zeggen ja tegen MDMA. Je meisje is een mot, staat seks met je pa. Geen blad